Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day on the Weight Watchers plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a what I eat in a day video. It is my first video of the year 2023, and I know I made my goal was to do 3 videos a week, but I have had some stuff come up. I was getting ready to go to Florida, and here's my excuses again. My granddaughter's birthday was this weekend, so I had a lot of stuff going on, and I haven't been able to film 3 videos a week yet. So I will just want to let you know that there's the reason why, but this is my first what I eat in a day video for the year. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day, come on along and watch this video. Today's breakfast, I made 2 fried eggs, and I have 2 pieces of Sara Lee Delightful Bread for 2 points with 1 point's worth of light, I can't believe it's not butter. And then I've been making some center cut bacon lately. That's 3 pieces. It is 1 point a piece, and it's really good. So that is my breakfast. It is going to be 6 points. Plus I had an iced coffee for 1 point. So 7 points total. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. So for lunch I am having a cup of tomato rice soup for 4 points, 9 saltine crackers for 3 points. So that lunch is 7 points. For dinner, I'm making some garlic chicken. I cut up some chicken breasts, 4 of them, and I'm going to sprinkle it with a half a cup of cornstarch. I toss it around so they're covered. Then once that is all covered, I'm going to put it in a pan with a tablespoon of oil and some Pam spray. And I'm going to season it with some garlic powder pretty liberally, and some salt, and also some pepper. Then I'm going to cook it until they are lightly browned. And there's tonight's dinner. I have 3 points worth of garlic chicken, 6 points worth of the wild rice, 0 points for the corn. And that is my dinner. It is 9 points for tonight's dinner. I'm going to make a little root beer float for a snack. A half of a cup of this no sugar added ice cream is 3 points, and I'm going to use some root beer zero. So that would be 0 points. So for the root beer float, it'll be 3 points. And there is my 3-point root beer float. The ice cream makes it foam up. Yummy. So I ended the day using 27 Weight Watcher points. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.